How to swap any crypto token to Circle's EURC on Lobstr. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Lobstr account and after that select any crypto that you want to convert into EURC by Circle. Suppose I want to use my Lumens for that, so I will just simply select XLM over here. Then I will just simply click on the option of swap. After that, instead of Aqua, I will select EURC by Circle. For that, just simply click on it, then search for EURC. And here you get the one which is curated by Lobstr. It is by Circle, and you can also see the domain name in the brackets. Simply click on it. Just type the amount and you would be able to see the estimated value of EURC that you will be receiving. Just for your information, there is a campaign going on for EURC. If you get more than 10 EURC in your wallet and keep it till 24th of June, you would be getting the additional 10 EURC as a promo. We will see more about it after we complete this swap. So after typing the amount, simply click on this option of swap XLM to EURC. And then you can see all the different details about this particular transaction. Just simply click on confirm swap and then wait for it and it will be completed. And within seconds you will get EURC in your wallet. Now let's get back and see one more way to swap on Lobstr. For this, just simply click on done, get back, and on the home screen you would be able to find the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Simply click on it, then select the option of swap. And here as well you can do the similar task and select EURC by Circle. Just simply select it, and this way you can do the swap. And these are the two ways to swap on Lobstr. Now let's check the campaign that I was talking about. So in this campaign you have to swap 10 or more EURC by Circle, and it is necessary. And after that, the first 4,500 wallets will be getting 10 EURC as a bonus. But make sure that you follow all the guidelines related to it. I will be providing the link for this particular article for you to see all the different guidelines for it. There are some important notes to it. Make sure that you check them out as well, or you can pause the video right now in order to check it up, or click the link in the description for more info. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.